But we did agree with them that we are gonna stop the heartbeat sound. And even stopping the heartbeat sound, it was, I don't know, such a moment of like a lot of emotion, because that's what happens in an abortion. Like, you stop the heartbeat, you know. So the people who were angry at us and at the sound, by us stopping it, it was kind of saying this is what happens in reality as well. As soon as you stop a heartbeat, you know, that's because in a way you have been successful in killing a baby in the womb.